If you're starting over financially after divorce and you feel behind in life, I want you to know something first. That feeling is incredibly common, and it doesn't mean you failed. A lot of women don't talk about this part. The quiet panic of realizing you're rebuilding when you thought you'd be further ahead by now. You look at your age, you look at your bank account, and you wonder how everything changed so fast. It can feel like everyone else is moving forward, while you're trying to figure out where to even start. But here's what I want you to hear today. Being behind doesn't mean you're broken. It means your life took a turn you didn't plan for. Divorce doesn't just reset relationships. It resets finances, confidence, and your sense of security. Of course you feel behind. You're carrying grief, responsibility, and uncertainty all at once. So, if all you can do right now is keep things together, that's not failure. That's strength. You don't need to catch up with anyone. There is no timeline you're late to. Right now, the only thing that matters is stability, not speed. One small grounding step you can take is this. Stop measuring your progress against who you thought you'd be by now. Measure it against where you were when everything fell apart. If you're standing, learning, and trying, you're already rebuilding. If this video found you at the right moment, I want you to know, you're not alone here. You're allowed to rebuild slowly.